Hello my friends, and how are you doing? My Minimax H3 Turbo video is coming tonight for ComfUI, but before that my Suno post on X got over 820,000 views and the AI haters are going crazy. So this is why I created two reaction clips to that. They are fun, you should absolutely watch that, but a little word of warning on X, I'm way more unfiltered, in your face and gangster, so the tone is a bit harsher than you know me from YouTube. Enjoy the clips. Learn an instrument, why don't you? This is the amazing skill you are so proud about, like mashing some buttons and turning some knobs. That's wow, I'm really impressed that you have the skills of a toddler of pressing a button. It's still a cool hobby, but it's not more than that. Let's be honest about that. And this is because in the past, quality was the highest level what you could achieve, and most musicians never achieved that ever in their life. But now that AI is here, quality is actually the lowest tier. It's the starting point. So now what matters is actual creativity. And now it turns out, oh my God, you have all this skill and all this gear, but you don't have actual creativity, unlike the people who just do music in half an hour and then get a couple of 100,000 plays, and you hate on that because how can that be? How can someone who just has an idea create music? Let's talk about Jim Steinman and Meatloaf, because you might not notice, but Meatloaf never had the idea for all of his music, never wrote the lyrics, never composed the music. He was, for better or worse, kind of like a vocal actor as a singer, and you can figure that out by listening to Total Eclipse of the Heart by Bonnie Tyler is by Jim Steinman, and it sounds exactly like a Meatloaf song. You have now the choice. You have a great musical idea, and you could go to some musicians and singers and then go into court and battle it out and have massive struggle, or you could just go to an AI website and really explore your creative journey in any way you want without anybody interfering. And of course the haters hate that. They don't want to see that, because this is really pushing the gate open for anybody to be creative and follow their passion. And how can that be? I have to record this video real quick because as always, there is some stupid people on the internet. This is concerning the Suno situation, where some people say, well, why do you even need more than 20 tracks a month? Like, even a good band doesn't make that much music in a year, and who even wants to listen to your music? Well, guess what? A lot of people use music as a background, as an effect, things like that. They're not musicians. I don't care if you listen to my music because I don't publish any music. I use it as a content creator, and a lot of other businesses use it always. Also in their background, in their promotions, in all kinds of things, maybe in the background of their restaurant, because they want to have music that fits the atmosphere. So instead of going to a stock page and searching for hours for tracks that fit, you create something that not only fits your specific purpose in seconds, but maybe also has your lyrics in them, for example, for a special promotion. I hope you understand that and got a little bit smarter about these kind of topics, and also the rights of customers, because even if you use it commercially, you're still a customer.